Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekene m unu biko ka na-ekwu ka na-ekwu nke ọzọ ka a ghara iwe na anyị na-asị go let's go back to our root. Then some ladies I don't call these people as a wine because they have nothing to, they don't have the what it takes for them to answer as a wine. They don't have the knowledge. Just imagine. Oh, they are Christian now. Wow, hey, video criticize. I thought that the video ya got viral. As no need to judge the fuso. Oh, when a man to na nage, Jeru no ke juajojo. Oh, when no. Yet you in where on water, Naka Basara or Menana, not an Igbo. J. John Doke, the John Negim of John Nage, Makana, no one in best position, Ecoaragi, or one him one idea, J. Joe Abatobi. Look at in a Sebrala, Abuisiana. What are you doing? Is this the way they taught you? Omenanibo, not an Anibo, is not to come and kneel down before any deity. That is not what Ordinanibo is all about. Isebrala, Ichinia Kenu, Eboisiana. What are you doing? Is this not stupidness? What are you telling your junior ones? You are bowing before a deity. That is not an Omenanibo. That is not Ordinanibo. There is no Dibia. There is no Ezewani who is permitted. In fact, there is no a traditionalist who is permitted to kneel down before any deity or bow down to any deity, no matter how powerful that deity may be. I see so many people who claim to be Ezewani. They will go to the river. They will kneel down. They will bow down. They will do all sorts of things. And to me, they are not doing this in their own accord. They are doing it out of desperate. They are doing it because they want to please their fans. They want to do extraordinary things. They carry the same mind they used in the so-called Christianity. They carry it and come back to Ordinanibo. And they still doing the same pattern. Ordinanibo does not support. Be you man, be you woman. To kneel down before any deity or any river. That is not the way. Enwere okwu ndị Igbo kwuru sị na ikenga onye adịghị awa ya na nkụ ke ndị na-eke ya ikenga nwoke onye Igbo ọnwụ na da ikenga adịghị ire awa ya na nkụ dị ikenga dịgote ire nwa onye Igbo a ga-esekpuru ana ọkpọ isi ana were nye ya ikenga maka na gịnị ikenga onye dị ya n'ime. So after I heard this very video, I was so ashamed of this very young lady because of what she only believed, not knowing what she's doing. Because when you believe, you do all manner of things in order to please that which you believe. But when you know, you have rules and protocols to do things. And the reason why I'm doing this video also is to clarify other people. This is not the way. This is not the way. We don't bow to any deity. We don't kneel down to any deity. We don't worship them. We only honor them for what they stand for and for what they are meant to be.